Okay, so those two go up and over there. These two go up and to here. And the other two go down to here. So let's cut these off right here. Let's see something. I doubt if this is the culprit, because I got 12 volts there. Well, 13.08, but what I want to do is check it here and touch the back of that thing with it. Touch me, baby. Can't you see? Okay. Okay, so let's put the white to the red, white to the red, and the black to the black. And now it's on. So we have a problem in here someplace. And I have no idea why or where. Because there's nothing there that's conductive, and there's nothing here that's conductive, and there's nothing there or here that's shorting out, and there's nothing here or there that should cause it not to work. Well, at least I don't have to take all the wiring down. I just got to figure out what the problem is here. So I'm going to take it all apart, and we're going to go one by one and reassemble. How do you like that? Reassemble. Oh, I dropped the nut. Now what? Oh. Yeah. That would definitely stop me from getting to the nuts. I would say, well, these nuts are on the side. What the hell did I do? What did I do? I said. See, what's puzzling me is that this was showing 13 volts. Right to the end. Right to the plug. But no power. Now, could it have been an amp issue? I doubt it, because again, I was running off of this that was up here when I was working on Coastie with all those lights and everything, and the eyes and the drive and all that kind of shit. Again, this stuff is not conductive. That, nothing. Let's check, just to see if it's stealing ohms or something. So this isn't causing the problem. I didn't think it would be. There was no reason why. I mean, and up there, I'm right through studs, right through the wood. And now it's working down here with these there. I'm going to start to assemble it. Right off of that. One at a time. So we have that. So we're going to disconnect that. So let me get a couple of... eyelids. Well, I got these wires here. No, I'm not going to use those. I'm going to start right from the scratch, just in case there's something wrong here someplace. All right. Now these, I just think it's too small. I can really drill them off, but why would I want to do that? Maybe because I want it nice and snuggy. Let's see. No, that's not going to fit. I must have drilled out the other ones. Yeah, I must have, because we're that close, so I may have just drilled them out. But these are not going to work, so I'm not going to go through all that. Let's get boy, I'm running out of these. Come on. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Hey, man. Boy, those are monsters. Okay. I may have to drill those out. I got a lot of those, and I got hardly nothing of anything else. Well, isn't that a fine how do you do these? Oh, those are small ones. What about these? Those are not going to fit the wire. No. Not going to fit the hole either. All right. So what I had done, what did I done? I had to drill some of these out. Yeah. There they are. I have no idea, but we're going to check it piece by piece just to see what the problem was. Was there enough? I mean, a strand of wire would give me 12, 13 volts if there's 12 or 13 volts coming through. Naturally, it'll drop, you know, with distance, and it was dropping a little bit, but I'm just trying to make a point to where a strand of wire can show voltage, but yet not enough to even light up a light because there's no amperage there. The voltage may be, but if there's no amperage, that could be part of your problem. And naturally voltage, you know, because you get a line drop the longer the wire. And the longer the wire, the amp drop. So they kind of travel as a pair. And some things are just a little bit more sensitive than others. And I just got to watch when I put these together, I don't wrap things around everything. I should get rid of this for now. It's not using anything. There's something else right now getting in the way. Okay. And the string. What's that string go to? Well, this string can actually come down right now. This was just there for me to hold closely up so it wouldn't fall all down. You know, all fall down. It all rolled over and one fell off. Roll over. So they all rolled over. Another fell out. Oh well. I didn't expect my straightening up and organizing things to be such a pain in the ass. But it seems to be. Okay, now I got these marked negative and positive. Nah, I'm not going to bother now. I'm going to get paint all over me. We're not going to do that now. No. No, no, no. No. Oh, now I need another set of wires because I don't want to use those. So we have that one. We have this one. Okay. I want another set coming off of that. That's what I want. Well, wait a minute. While they're on there, let's do this first. This one goes here. The black one goes here. And we have power. Okay. So we have ignition. We should have another one. Washer. I think this is the one that I'm using. No, that's too big. That's too big. Where's the next one? How about the next one down? Here it is. I think this is the one. I think so. I think. Yes. Okay. Now let's put the nut. Put this. That. Put the nut. Tighten the nut. Let's tighten the nut up. Whoop, wrong side. Oh, right side. Okay. Okay. Oh, gotta tighten this one too. Forgot about that one. Oh, stop. Leave me alone. Actually, I should put lock washers on these. Ooh. You put this away before I lose it. Okay, back to this side. Alright, so we should have power here. So let's see. Let's go negative side. And let's touch the positive side. And we have power. Okay. Now, we're going to make a jumper. Why do I need a jumper? Why did I have those jumpers? Where are they? Oh, no. Okay, I don't need jumpers. These aren't jumpers. Okay. Aha! This I want. But, and this I want. These are the only things I need. And so the other ones were actually in the back part of this, and I shortened it, thinking that maybe that's part of the problem. I don't know. Okay, let me get a couple more washers. Couple more lock washers. All right, I don't need a jumper on that because I can just tap onto it. However, I do want to put a washer and whoop, let's put this way. I'll end up sitting there bitching at myself because I hooked it up backwards. Now, this one, yeah. And that'll lock over.